Hey guys, today I am headed out on the boat here at Black Point Marina, and I am super excited because today I'm going to be testing out a new product from Mente Marine, and it's an automatic trim tab controller. And this is really cool because what it does is it replaces your existing trim tab controller and turns your trim tabs automatic. So what exactly does that mean? What it means is that the Mente Marine controller has a built-in GPS system inside it with a 9-axis motion controller that senses the movement of the boat and continues to adjust your trim tabs to make sure that you're riding most efficiently, most comfortable, and most importantly, straight. The installation of the controller took me less than 30 minutes to remove my old one and install the new one. And this is super easy because the Mente Marine controller only takes 7 wires to connect it, and all you have to do is just take off your old controller, strip the wire, and plug them into the corresponding terminal. Now I know you're thinking this is way too good to be true, and trust me, I was in your shoes too. When I was reading about it and we talked about it, I said, there's no way that this is that easy to do, because I know there's nothing easy to do on boats. But then when I opened the box and I saw the instructions, I realized that it really is that simple to install. So basically the only thing that you have to do, it's 7 wires. You've got your power and ground, which is already there on your existing controller. You plug them into the corresponding terminals. And then you have another wire, which goes in the last one, which is the automatic one. So a lot of boats have it on the key switch. When you turn off your motors, they retract. I have a dedicated switch on my dash, which is for the trim tabs. When I turn it on, they get power. When I turn it off, they retract. Then outside of that, the only thing that you need to do, and I keep looking, guys, I'm going out of the channel, there's a lot of boat traffic. We're getting a storm coming and everybody's running in. But it's good, let's see, because now we're gonna get some waves and we'll be able to see kind of how it does. Or we're gonna get soaking wet. But outside of those 3, the only other thing that you've got to connect is both of your trim tabs, right? Each trim tab has a wire that gives it power and removes power. That's what makes it go up and down. So those 3, and then your individual trim tabs get plugged in, and that's it. Then once you have everything connected, the next step that you have to do is calibrate it. Super easy. You press the 2 upper and lowermost buttons, and what it's going to do is going to go through a cycle where it moves your trim tabs all the way down and then retracts them all the way up. And this is so that it could store in the memory the movement of the trim tabs for your boat. Then once you do all that, it comes to the fun part, right? We want to see how they work, which is where we're at right now. We are headed out of the channel to test these babies and see how they work. And I'm super excited. It's unfortunate we got some rain coming. But let's fire up the radar, get out of the channel, and see if we can maneuver between the rain clouds. All right, guys, so now I'm out of the channel. I got out of the way of everybody, and I had to travel a couple miles because this storm is quickly approaching on us. And I got to tell you, I tested it. I had to cheat. I tested it driving out. And I'll tell you, you got to program it to where you like to run the boat. And with my old system, I would bury the tabs a little bit, and I was wrong. It actually rides better a little bit up. So to calibrate it, you have to push the left and the right button, and you press and hold them there once you have your boat to where you want it to be. And then boom, it automatically stores that position in memory, and then it uses that to know, hey, this is where the owner thinks it should be, even though I was wrong. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fire this thing up and I'm gonna start running. Now it is important to note though, it's really cool, the trim tabs, when you are going too slow, it won't activate, right? So you gotta be going above 7 knots. And what's also really cool, and I saw it when I turned, when you turn, obviously, if you have the trim tabs fighting the boat, that could be a dangerous situation. So when I turned the boat, you could see the auto light start flashing and it disengages. And once you get straight again, it kicks in. It's really cool. When I slowed down and I got below 7 knots, the auto light just started flashing. It's disengaged. It's pretty cool, guys. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up and do it again. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. All right, so now that we got the boat running, go ahead and click auto see how it brought the bow down. Man, it's pretty impressive, guys. And if you notice right now, we're getting hit at an angle with the wind, and it's maintaining the boat completely straight right there. This is impressive. A lot of times when you're getting hit from the side with wind, what happens is that it rolls the boat and you're riding sideways with the waves, and this is keeping us perfectly straight. This is impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and turn. See how it disengages. Right there, it's already disengaged and knows that we're turning. Now let's make the full turn and ride into the wind here. And see how it does when you're riding into the wind. Hopefully our front camera doesn't get too wet. So we're still making the turn. Now we're straightening out and it is engaged. And now you can see, guys, we're going straight into the wind now. This is really cool. This is pretty cool. And it is just keeping us perfectly straight and perfectly smooth. This is impressive. Wow. This is nice. Guys, that was pretty impressive. I'm telling you, I was skeptical. How could this thing know? How could it do? I was skeptical about the installation. Like, I'm a commercial captain, and I also do charters. I make a living from the ocean. And I'm not that handy with fixing a lot of stuff. I've got to reach out to my dad and be like, hey, I need your help. Plenty of times he saves me. But this was unbelievable. I mean, super easy to install. It's amazing how it works on the boat. This is going to be a game changer. I'll tell you, when you're on the boat, managing the trim tabs, and I come out on the boat all the time, right? Most of the people don't know how to use trim tabs, and it's okay because, you know, you're working, you come out on the boat to have fun. When you get people that move around the boat, they walk around, and that creates a massive shift in the boat. And when you're going at a high rate of speed, that shift in the boat, if you hit the wrong trim tab and you lean the boat even more to that side, you're gonna throw passengers off the boat and into the water. And that is a scary situation to be in. At a high rate of speed, people falling in the water could break bones. Not only is this an incredible item just to improve your ride and keep the boat straight, but it is a major peace of mind to know that you're gonna be safe. This thing is gonna keep you straight all the time. Guys, I gotta tell you, check it out. Order yourself one today. This is so easy. You can order it. You get off of work on Friday. You take 30 minutes. You hook it up on your boat. Take a shower, go to bed. You're ready to go fishing the next day or go boating, the sandbar, wherever you're going. And this thing is installed that quickly. You don't have to spend money on it, guys. Go check it out, autotrimtabs.com, and then get yourself these bad boys on your boat, baby. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.